We learn many lessons as we progress towards our financial goals. Many high-wealth individuals believe that continued learning is an important part of a financial journey. Unfortunately for most of us, there are plenty of lessons we learn too late in our journeys. Welcome to Forever Finance, where we want to live our lives our own way. Stick around to make sure you learn these goal-changing lessons today. Procrastination is one of the biggest roadblocks to building wealth. Too often we wait for the perfect time to start saving or investing, only to find ourselves years behind. Our first lesson is getting started as soon as possible. Time is your greatest ally when building wealth. The earlier you start, the more powerful the compounding effect becomes. Here's a quick example. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 25, earning an average return of 8% annually, you could have over $500,000 by the time you're 65. But if you wait until age 35, you'd end up with less than half of that. The key? Start small, but start now. Many people live pay to pay day, not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't understand how to manage their money effectively. Our next lesson is, financial literacy is not optional. School teaches us many things, but personal finance often isn't one of them. Learning about budgeting, investing, taxes, and debt management is essential. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and maximize opportunities. Remember, what you don't know about money will always cost you more in the long run. Chasing material possessions often leads to financial strain and emotional dissatisfaction, leaving you feeling like you're stuck on a hamster wheel. The third lesson for today is that true wealth is about what you can do, not what you have. We often equate wealth with possessions, a luxury car, a big house, or designer clothes. But true wealth is about the freedom to do what you love, spend time with who you care about, and live life on your terms. A minimalist lifestyle with financial freedom can be far more fulfilling than a lavish lifestyle funded by debt. Reacting impulsively to market trends, job stress, or financial pressure can lead to poor decisions that derail your financial goals. Today's fourth lesson is emotional intelligence boosts your wealth generation. Money is emotional. Fear and greed often drive our financial decisions, leading to poor outcomes. Emotional intelligence, understanding and managing your emotions, can make or break your financial success. Whether it's negotiating a raise, staying calm during market downturns, or resisting impulse purchases, emotional intelligence is your secret weapon. Neglecting your health can result in expensive medical bills, lost earning potential, and a reduced quality of life. Our next lesson is your health is your most valuable asset. What good is wealth if you don't have your health? Medical expenses can be a significant financial burden, but more importantly, poor health limits your ability to enjoy life. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and routine checkups aren't just investments in your body, they're investments in your future wealth. If you are liking these lessons, check out our Financial Freedom Friday posts. Every Friday we cover small changes that we can make in our journey. When we add many of these small steps together, we achieve our goals. Sticking to what you know or refusing to adapt can leave you stagnant, missing opportunities for growth. Our sixth lesson is to never stop learning. Knowledge is the foundation of growth. Whether it's learning a new skill, exploring a side hustle, or deepening your understanding of finance, staying curious keeps you ahead of the curve. In today's fast-paced world, what you learned 10 years ago may already be outdated. Continuous learning keeps your opportunities and income potential alive. Saying yes to everything, whether it's social obligations, impulse buys, or risky ventures, leaves you drained financially and emotionally. This next lesson is not always the easiest, but it's one we all need. Learning to say no. Saying yes to everything often leads to stress, overcommitment, and wasted money. Learning to say no is one of the most underrated skills for building wealth. Whether it's declining a risky investment, avoiding social pressure to overspend, or setting boundaries in your career, saying no allows you to focus on what truly matters. Ask yourself, will this decision help or hurt my long-term goals? Focusing solely on financial milestones without considering what makes you truly happy can leave you feeling unfulfilled, even when you're financially stable. Lesson number 8 is one many of us get caught up in. Wealth is not just a number, it's about freedom. Society tells us to chase a big number, a six-figure salary, $1 million portfolio. But wealth isn't about the number in your bank account, it's about the freedom to live life your way. Whether that means traveling, retiring early, or pursuing a dream career, focus on creating a life where you control your time. The fear of failure often paralyzes people, keeping them from taking risks or pursuing opportunities. Lesson number 9 is to make mistakes and then learn from them. Nobody's financial journey is perfect. You'll make mistakes, buying things you regret, missing out on opportunities, or even facing setbacks like debt. The key is to treat every mistake as a lesson. Reflect on what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and move forward. Every successful person has a history of failures. They just didn't let them define their future. Focusing only on income or savings without seeing the bigger picture can give you a distorted view of your financial health. Our 10th lesson today is to watch your net worth. Income is important, but it's your net worth, the total of what you own minus what you owe, that truly measures your financial health. Tracking your net worth regularly gives you a clear picture of where you stand and motivates you to make better decisions. Small changes, like paying down debt or increasing savings, can lead to massive progress over time. These 10 lessons might seem simple, but their impact is profound. The earlier you embrace them, the greater your chance to build not just wealth, but a life of meaning, freedom, and fulfillment. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. Let us know in the comments below if any of these lessons have caught you out.